Hi guys, I'm on my way to a birthday party, children's birthday party. I'm about to pick up 2 kids. But this birthday party is going to be on a farm. It's called Bruce Farm. No, but it's in Bruce Township. It's Marty's farm, sorry. And I hear it's really fun. So I'm going to film it so you guys can see what a birthday party on a farm is like. I hope you like it. I hope I like it. We'll see. As you know, I'm a huge animal lover, so anything to do with animals is going to be great for me. Sorry about the shaky video, but our streets here in Michigan are not the best. Gotta drive now, and I'll see you at the farm. Alright, we're on our way. It's about 25 minutes away from my house, so it's not too bad. And yay, we have some birds. So this one is a bob-white quail. Hi, oh, what a cute sound do you make? Oh,
look it.
Oh, there's 2. There's another one. Okay,
And
good.
There's
It's
one
not
over there
alone.
by the tree, and there's one in the.
Yes, look how cute.
Ooh, that's a fat one.
It's a quail. I don't believe I've ever seen a quail yet. Hi, babies.
Oh, look at those birdies that look like.
There's birds that look just like Milo. What is this? Pheasant? I guess I've never seen a pheasant. They are beautiful. Aww. How could you ever want to kill a bird like that? Look how beautiful these pheasants are. Look at this. He's got a cool hairdo, doesn't he?
Yeah.
He's got a really cool hairdo.
And look at, he's stepping on Pookie.
Oh yeah, look at, he's all the way on top.
Woo.
Oh, he's jumping.
He jumped off.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Pheasants. That's what a pheasant looks like. Tells you, I'm guessing that the yellow ones are probably the females and the one with the red is the male. Because he gets to have 2 girls. Hi, beautiful. Hi, guys. Wow. Wow, you guys. So cute. And there's a big peacock. You guys, look at this beautiful. Beautiful. Hi, horsey.
Hi, Horsey. Horsey's big as that.
Look at this peacock. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that blue long tail. Look at the blue color. Hi, buddy. Look at those feet. Huge feet. Oh, there's another one. Hi. Hi, guys.
He's coming out right.
Oh, I'm sure they're friendly. Otherwise, they wouldn't let them just run around. Hi. Hi, Mr. Peacock. Yes. And we learned in my last video, the girls are called the peahens. Aw.
No, I wasn't mean.
You guys.
Turkeys.
Turkeys. Oh, there's a horsey.
I
Hi,
know.
horsey. Hi, horsey.
Can I try to get? Oh no, go. Goldie.
Look at the turkey. Wow, how elaborate. I don't think I've ever seen a turkey up close. Look how elaborate their feathers are. I mean,
Hi,
they
Goat.
have... Oh, look. Hi, Mr. Goat. Hi.
He looks
Sorry.
like he's gonna
I
jump
have
over.
nothing. I don't have any treats.
Hi,
I'm
horsey.
sorry.
Oh no, not a blue
Sounds
one.
like he's meowing.
The blue bird. You want to look at Goldie? I know, but
Look at those turkeys. How cool.
Miss Melanie,
Yeah, baby.
Make that noise. The peacock up
That's
there.
the peacock.
I didn't know they made noise.
Yeah. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble.
Oh no,
Gobble, 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 gobble.
we do not want to touch those.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Can we touch the
Gobble,
goats?
gobble, gobble, gobble.
Can we touch goats?
There's like, she's got some.
Hi, babies. Hi, guys. I don't have treats. I'm sorry. Look at the duck.
Look at that.
Pretty. So pretty. I love how they all just run around free.
Duck.
Is this place pretty cool? Is this place pretty cool?
Yes.
It's pretty cool. It's got a lot of animals. It's got a lot of birds so far, which I love. And there's even more animals back there, but we have to wait for the birthday girl and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This area has goats, turkeys, more goats, female turkeys,
I can pet the goat.
and a pony.
Oh, you don't.
Wow, they look prehistoric, you guys. Look at this. This hen, some kind of hen, I forget what they're called. So cool. They look prehistoric. Look like a dinosaur. Look at this one. This chicken looks like a dinosaur. Hi, babies. Guys, you want in, I know, but maybe you can go through here. Can you find a spot? Oh, did you hear that sound? Oh, look at here. We have some chickens. Here we have some chickens.
It is pretty muddy. Yep, that's why we're here.
Look at the chickens. Wow. Putting on a show. Putting on a show.
That is so cool.
That is
Big Joe.
Oh yeah, I gotta take a picture. What am I doing?
Big Joey.
He's big.
Can I feed the bison?
Oh, absolutely.
Ooh, yay.
That is a big head.
Did anybody not feed him yet?
That is a big head. My goodness.
Guy does done this.
Baby deer, look how cute.
He's in.
Yeah, I think
I'm gonna try to.
Baby deer, huh?
Fix
Look at Mila. Oh, apple? I don't know if you can have an apple. Can you have an apple?
I don't know if you. Wait till she stops here.
There's a albino deer.
It's the baby.
And these are elks, and they're babies, and they're huge.
Oh, what?
They are huge.
You guys can spread out.
Oh, look at the baby.
I want to see the bunny. I want to see a bunny. Oh my goodness.
A shark.
It's a shark. Da-da, da-da.
There you go. Can we open the chips? Alex, scoot back.
That's so soft.
Julie and Alex, scoot back.
It's